Hey y'all, I'm so excited to show you this crimping iron that lets you create natural crease-free waves or bouncy shiny curls with basically no effort. It has seriously been a game changer for me. It has automatic ceramic plates with triple heaters that heat up super fast and evenly so you don't have to waste any time waiting around. And regardless of whether you have straight, curly, or somewhere in between hair, this tool has got you covered. It works for all types of hair, leaving your hair healthy looking, frizz-free, and shiny. Now, like in this tutorial, you can see that I'm sectioning my hair and I glide the crimper along, creating gorgeous waves and curls in just minutes. Plus, it has 4 heat settings that go all the way up to 400 degrees, so you can adjust it to what works best for you and your hair. For my fellow travelers, guess what? It's dual voltage, so you can take it anywhere with you. I love that it automatically shuts off after 30 minutes, and it even has a lock feature for safe storage. Oh, and did I mention it comes with a 2-year warranty? I mean, that's a total win in itself. So if you're looking for a tool that gives you quick, flawless waves or curls without the hassle of dealing with a curling iron, this is it. But thanks for hanging out with me today. I did link it for you, but if you have any questions, I'll try to help you the best I can. Have a great day.
Alright guys, today I am using the Hairitage Catch the Wave Curling and Crimping Iron. As a mom of 4, I'm always looking for things to keep me looking nice, but also saving me time. It has a little digital thermometer on it. I love that. 4 different settings. Look how fast I'm flying through this. Obviously it's sped up, but this took me literally 5 minutes. Look at the difference. I'm sold. I'm in. Must have. I did the other side. So excited to see the results because I just know. I knew the first time I did it. And look at this. Obsessed. I look ready to go and it took 10 minutes.